Valley Expansion House by Studio Heya in Valle de Bravo, Mexico. Ampliación Valle project is located in Valle de Bravo, State of Mexico, Mexico, and is distinguished by its original French-style chalet house, built in 1965, set in a natural environment overlooking a golf course. The original house is known for its gabled roofs, wooden construction, and circular columns. The need to expand the residence arose when a couple was planning to retire in Valle de Bravo. They required an attached single-level apartment to the original house with a focus on accessibility. The 100 square meters apartment was designed on a wooden platform supported by circular steel columns, allowing seamless integration without stairs with the common areas of the house. The designed apartment includes a bedroom with a view of the field, a study for work, an extended terrace to the outside, a full bathroom, a kitchenette, a laundry room, and a walk-in closet. The bathroom and dressing room were designed to enhance the comfort of the retired couple, with special attention to the incorporation of an inner courtyard, providing natural ventilation and lighting, and bringing the landscape into the bedroom. The renovation achieved a perfect integration with the original house by using materials such as wood and steel, balancing modern and classic elements. Wooden floors and ceilings create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The gabled roofs, circular columns, and large windows were retained to smooth the transition between the interior and the exterior. Natural light played a fundamental role in the renovation, with the incorporation of large windows offering views of the golf course, increasing brightness and providing a stunning view of the surroundings. In addition to the expansion, the existing kitchen of the house was remodeled, which opened to the dining area, creating a more spacious and functional space with increased natural light. In summary, the renovation in Valle de Bravo successfully met the expectations of the clients by offering them a comfortable and well-integrated apartment to the original house with a contemporary touch that respects its natural environment.